Hey y'all, welcome back. So as y'all can see, our pizza's ready to go. Don't that look good? Sorry y'all. We got our loaded potatoes. Nice and juicy. We have our mushrooms. I made a side salad because it sounded good. We have those good old wings. Hey y'all. So we about to do a little quick recipe. We're gonna do some air fried wings, mini pizzas, and some loaded potato skins. First things first, we had our chicken, clean it in some salt water and vinegar. Rinse those off. I'm gonna put some Oowhee on it. Oowhee Cajun seasoning. A little bit of chicken base, some chili sauce, mustard, hard piece on the top. Mix these together. Got a little extra water in there, just noticed it. We have some used vegetable oil. We're going to stuff them. We have some garlic, some ranch seasoning mix, some herbs and spices, and some sharp cheese. We're going to mix this together, stuff them, and then put cheese on top. Remember we made our pre-made pizzas? I'll put that clip in of when we made those. And we also we made these mushrooms the night before as well and froze them to order. So all I'm about to do right now is just season them up with a little bit of Oowhee seasonings, and we're gonna throw this right on the oven on 400. Turkey bacon, turkey pepperoni, frozen onions, frozen peppers, frozen mushrooms. Hey y'all, so we're going to finish our little pizza pockets. We're going to make the sauce we're going to put in it. We have some of my homemade red sauce. Put half of that. Some tomato paste. 1 spoonful of that. Oh man, I could use the same spoon for that red sauce. Grab another one. We're going to add some ricotta cheese. Some basil. A little bit of red flakes. I'll tell y'all, the kids, my little munchkins, they eat spicy food all the time. Gonna mix that together. All right, guys, so we have our sauce down. Now we're gonna make all our mini pizzas for the freezer. First thing I'm gonna do, mix that up. I love cheese. Da-dun. I really do. And I'm gonna freeze these in hopes that one day, maybe I think I might. It's gonna be a bacon pizza. With bacon. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna freeze these and then we'll just throw them in the freezer in some Ziploc bags for later. Alright, y'all, we're about to make our potatoes, our loaded potatoes. On our potato skins, we're gonna put some oil, some chicken base. Like to have flavor. A little bit of spice. Rub them down. All right. In this bowl, we got the filling of our potatoes, some frozen turkey sausage, frozen turkey bacon, and some cheese. To that, we're going to add sour cream, ricotta cheese, ranch. I'm gonna have to wash my bottles, it's fine. Some chicken base. As long as it's not raw chicken, it doesn't, you know, it's not that bad to me. I'll wash them, but. Some good old Oowhee. Ooh, a chunk came out. We gonna mix this together. I'll be back. All right, y'all, the wings are done. Look at those, they just came out. Sometimes, hey y'all, we back. Give y'all a close-up so we can do the food some justice. Hey y'all, welcome back. So if y'all like these recipes, if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe and be a part of the Oowhee Army. Y'all stay safe out there. I'll see y'all later. Bye.